The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be one of the tiniest foldable phones ever created, with a folded thickness of roughly 9 millimeters and an unfolded profile of just 0.5 millimeters. However, a recent leak has reignited discussions regarding the camera bump. According to the leaker, the triple camera configuration is located on a very big vertical island that protrudes significantly from the body of the phone, particularly when viewed from the side. The phone is scheduled to be officially revealed next month at the Galaxy Z Flip 7 unpacking event. Early mock-ups and teaser images have revealed the leaked silhouette, and the foldable is expected to set new slimness records. The phone's rear camera, on the other hand, appears to go in the opposite direction. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will include a powerful 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, according to the leak. The phone will apparently have an enhanced under-display camera for the foldable screen, as well as a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the cover display. Not everyone is pleased with the camera bump. When a phone is widely touted for its slimness, buyers expect a sleek, minimalistic design all around. Users who want their phones to lay flat on a table or slide effortlessly into a pocket may be disappointed by the huge camera bump. A bulky camera island can be inconvenient. Some consumers may be fine with the bump if the camera quality is excellent, but for others, the phone's look and feel are just as important as performance. Aside from the camera bump, the Fold 7 retains flagship-level features, such as a 6.5-inch Dynamic AMOLED to X outside display and an 8-inch Dynamic AMOLED to X foldable screen on the inside. The build is supposed to have a titanium backplate, but it's unclear whether Samsung is using a whole titanium frame or going with armor aluminum like its predecessor. Stereo speakers, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, UWB, and a USB Type-C port will all be available on the phone. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.